Good afternoon, guys, or good morning, or good evening, depending on when you see this. So now we're doing a square pyramid. I'll call this example one. Now our base of the pyramid is a square. So how do we find volume and surface area of a square pyramid? So we're given the length or the side there as 10. That other one will also be 10 because it's a square. The height of the pyramid, perpendicular height, is 30 centimeters. So let's start with volume. Volume is equal to a third the area of the base. What is the area of a square, guys? It's side squared, and then you multiply all of this with the perpendicular height of the pyramid. So let's substitute. We have a third there. We have 10, which is squared. And as our height, we have 30 centimeters. So what do we get there? A third of 10. Squared. Ooh, I get 300 or 1,000. I get 1,000 centimeters cubed. So that's volume. You just calculate the area of the base, you multiply it with a third, and you multiply it with the height, and you're done. The surface area, on the other hand, remember what surface area is. You need to calculate the area of each face there. It's as if you take the object, you look at one face, calculate the area of that, look at the other face, calculate the area of that, and keep on turning it around and calculating the area of each. So let me just draw it here and see how it looks. So we have a square there, right? We have a triangle, we have another triangle, triangle, and a triangle, right? Sorry, but all the triangles there are the same, right? So here we have 10 centimeters, and that's also 10, right? We're trying to find what that S is. And how do we find what that S is? We always need to look at it from the pyramid's point of view. If you're standing right here, right there at the front of the pyramid, I call that one the front now, right? There's a line. If you look right in the middle, you see the center, the base of the center, or well, the center of the base. Right? You're looking at your square down there, you see the center right there in the middle. When you look right up to the apex of the pyramid, that whole line of you looking down to the center, and the top is is 30 centimeters, right? But now, if you look to the side, the line that goes and hits there in the middle, hits this line in the middle. That line there, I call my base of this triangle, and which, if you're standing right here in the middle, the distance of that line will be half of this 30. If you're standing right here in the middle, the distance of that line will be half of the 10, which is 5 centimeters. And this is the slant height we're looking for. This is the S there, and it's this S that comes down here. That's the slant height we're looking for. So that forms a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, you apply Pythagoras. Right? So you're going to say S squared is equal to 30 squared plus 5 squared. 30 squared is 900. 5 squared is 25. So this just gives you 925. So S squared we square root 925. So S will be equal to the square root of 925. It's 30.4. 30.4 centimeters. So we have that S. So now we have the height of the triangle. Remember, we needed that S because when we're calculating the area of the triangle, we need the height of the triangle. That's why we need that S value. So now let's go to surface area. Surface area will be the area of the square there, which is just side squared, right? And this is, let me write side squared because the two S's are gonna confuse me. It's side squared plus 4 times. Remember, these triangles are the same. So I say 4 times of the area of a triangle. Right? And so what is that? Side squared is just a 10. I say 10 and I square it. Right? 4 half. The base of that triangle is 10. The height of it is this S I was trying to find here, which is 30.4. And if you just, let me just rewrite this properly so you can see it, is equal to 10 squared, which is the side squared, plus 4 half. The base there is 10 as well, but the height is this 30.4, and that's how it looks. So you just take that, you multiply it all in your calculator. You have 10 squared plus 4, 1 over 2, 10. You get 708 centimeters squared. So remember, it's surface area, so the units come out as centimeters squared. One thing I do want to highlight here is this right angle